Okay, no. Okay, okay, yeah, okay, I know. No, because you're literally just, no, you're not sorry. You just came, what? Yeah, I worked in Malvern, and that's why I was able to recognize you. I'm done with your lies. Who lies? What lies? Hold on, you said you're supporting Doug Ford, and you're coming in. Okay, sir. Just thank you. Can you tell? I am just delivering. Can you? Okay. Can you? Yeah. Right. And you're supporting Doug Ford. Okay. Thank you. Stop. Can you stop? Yeah. Because I worked in Malvern. That's why I recognize your face. Yeah. Okay. All right. So that's my experience. Just handing out flyers for the New Blue. And he's a Doug Ford supporter, and he rushed and all that. So we'll talk later.
I was just making them know it. Nothing to do with me, right?
That's okay. It's okay. I'm not even going to say anything more because he seems triggered, so it's okay.
Just make sure wherever that post is, it had nothing to do with me.
Hold on. Let me. No. Can you get? No. Can you get me back? No. Don't fuck around. I'm going to Hold on. Let me. No. No. Can you get? No. Can you get me back? No. Don't fuck around. I'm going to Hold on. Let me. No. Can you get? No. Can you get me back? No. Don't fuck around. I'm going to Hold on. Let me. No. Can you get? No. Can you get me back? No. Don't